Welcome to Queenstown, the adventure capital of the world. Queenstown is a destination that promises excitement and unforgettable experiences. Nestled in the heart of New Zealand's South Island, Queenstown is surrounded by majestic mountains and crystal-clear lakes. The town itself is a charming blend of modern amenities and rustic charm, making it the perfect base for exploring the natural wonders that surround it. This picturesque town is more than just a scenic beauty. It's a place where adventure and relaxation coexist, offering something for everyone. Whether you're looking to push your limits with extreme sports or simply want to soak in the stunning views, Queenstown has it all. It's the ultimate playground for thrill seekers and adrenaline junkies. From bungee jumping to skydiving, jet boating to paragliding, the options are endless. Let's dive into some of the most exhilarating activities you can experience here in Queenstown. First up, bungee jumping. Queenstown is home to the world's first commercial bungee jump, where brave souls leap off the iconic Kawarau Bridge. This historic site has been thrilling adventurers since 1988, and it's a must-do for anyone visiting Queenstown. Imagine standing on the edge of the bridge, heart pounding, as you prepare to take the plunge. The rush of adrenaline as you free fall towards the river below is an experience you'll never forget. And the sense of accomplishment when you bounce back up is indescribable. It's a heart-pounding experience you'll never forget. The thrill of the jump, the breathtaking views, and the sheer exhilaration of conquering your fears make bungee jumping in Queenstown an unforgettable adventure. Next, take your adventure to new heights with skydiving. Imagine the rush of free falling from 15,000 feet above breathtaking landscapes. The feeling of weightlessness as you plummet towards the earth is unlike anything else. As you descend, you'll be treated to panoramic views of Queenstown's stunning scenery. The mountains, lakes, and forests stretch out below you, creating a visual feast that will stay with you long after your feet are back on solid ground. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned skydiver, the views are worth the jump. The sense of freedom and the adrenaline rush make skydiving in Queenstown an experience you'll want to repeat again and again. For those who prefer to stay closer to the ground, Queenstown offers exhilarating jet boating. Hold on tight as you zoom through the Shotover River at breakneck speeds, dodging rocks and racing through canyons. The Shotover River is known for its narrow canyons and fast-flowing waters, making it the perfect setting for a high-speed jet boat ride. The skilled drivers navigate the twists and turns with precision, ensuring an adrenaline-pumping experience from start to finish. Dodging rocks and racing through canyons. The thrill of the ride, combined with the stunning scenery, makes jet boating in Queenstown a must-do activity. It's an adventure that will leave you breathless and wanting more. Last but not least, paragliding. Experience the freedom of flight as you glide over Queenstown, taking in panoramic views of the lakes, mountains, and town below. The sensation of soaring through the air is both exhilarating and peaceful. Paragliding offers a unique perspective on Queenstown's stunning landscapes. As you float above the town, you'll have a bird's-eye view of the natural beauty that makes this destination so special, taking in panoramic views of the lakes, mountains, and town below. The sense of freedom and the breathtaking scenery make paragliding in Queenstown an unforgettable experience. It's the perfect way to soak in the beauty of this incredible destination. Whether you're an experienced paraglider or a first-timer, the thrill of flight and the stunning views will leave you in awe. Whether you're seeking heart-stopping thrills or simply want to experience the raw beauty of New Zealand, Queenstown is the place to be. The town offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation, making it an ideal destination for all types of travelers. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, gather your courage, and head to Queenstown for the adventure of a lifetime. The memories you make here will stay with you forever, and the experiences you have will be stories you'll tell for years to come. The adventure of a lifetime awaits you here in Queenstown. From the thrill of bungee jumping to the serenity of paragliding, there's something for everyone in this incredible destination. So come and discover the magic of Queenstown for yourself. You won't be disappointed.